This is Nick with logosbynick.com, and in this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how you can take a vector Illustrator file and convert it to a layered PSD file or a Photoshop file. And the example I'll be using is this logo design right here. So the first thing we want to do is just open up our Layers menu if you don't have it open already. So I'm going to click on Window and I'm going to look for Layers. And if you notice here, I created everything on one individual layer, as you can see in this window up here. Now, if you created your design in a series of layers and you want to preserve those layers in your Photoshop file, then you can skip this next part. You're already good to go. But if you want to create a layered Photoshop file from this image here with everything on one layer, you're going to have to create a series of layers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this menu up here, and I'm going to choose Release to Layers, Sequence. And it's going to take each of those individual objects and place it on its own individual layer. And if you want, you can double click the layer to change the name. I'm just going to leave the names as they are for this tutorial. But now that we have that set, we can go ahead and export this. So I'll go to File, Export, and I'll choose Export As. And from this drop-down, you just want to choose Photoshop.psd. And I'm going to export this as logo.psd. I'll go ahead and click Export. And you have some settings up here you can change if you'd like. You could change your color mode, your resolution, so on and so forth. I'm just going to leave everything as it is for this tutorial. Click OK. And now what you can do is you can open up Photoshop. So here we have Photoshop. I'm going to press Control-O to open a file. And I'm going to look for logo.psd. There's my file. And if you notice here, you can expand this and you'll see each of these individual objects are on their own layer as indicated by these toggle icons here. And as you can see, this is now a layered Photoshop file or a layered PSD of that logo. So that is how you can go about creating layered Photoshop files from an Illustrator vector. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.